You'll have love at first sight with the 2021 Ford Explorer. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an Explorer that brings an uncompromising spirit to all your adventures. Behind its commanding stance, you'll find a refined, comfortable driving experience, available options that let you customize technology and capabilities, and rugged midsize SUV versatility. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, power liftgate, satellite radio. Don't miss the chance to drive home in this handsome and versatile Explorer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.